Hello students, today we will start with chapter 11 time. The first exercise 11.1 conversion of time. A part convert into days. You have to convert years into days, okay? We know that in 1 year there are 365 days, so we will multiply 2 with 365, okay? 2 as it is, and years means 1 year is equals to 365 days. So 2 into 365 is equals to 730 days, okay? Second, 5 years 100 days. We have to convert this into days, and 100 days, this is already in days. So to convert in days, we have to multiply 5 by 365. Then it will be converted to days. So 5 into 365 days plus, we will write plus, okay, then this one 100 days. Because after multiplying 365 by 5, this will convert to days, and this is also days, then we will add both of them. So 5 into 365, 1825 days plus 100 days is equals to 1925 days. Okay. Third, 10 months. Now we have to convert months into days. We know that in 1 month there are 30 days. Okay. We will consider 1 month is equals to 30 days, not 31. Okay. Now 10 into 30 is equals to 300 days. Okay. Now you can do the fourth one as we have done the second part. 5 months and 15 days. Just convert 5 months into days by multiplying 30 into 5 plus 15 days. This remains as it is. Now to convert weeks into days, we have to multiply by 7, because in 1 week there are 7 days. Okay. So 7 into 7 is equals to 49 days. Same in sixth part, 20 into 7 plus 5. Okay. Now B part, convert into weeks and days. Now we have to convert days into weeks. Okay. We know that in 1 week there are 7 days. So we have to convert days into weeks. So this time we have to divide by 7. If we are converting weeks into days, then we have to multiply, but here we are converting days into weeks, so we have to divide by 7. 49 divided by 7 is equals to 7 weeks. Now 360 days divided by 7. When we divide 360 by 7, it will convert it into weeks. This is the division. Remainder is 3 and quotient is 51. So the quotient will be the weeks, 51 weeks, and the remainder will be the days. So 51 weeks and 3 days. Okay. Now C part, convert into months. 120 days. We have to convert into months. So in 1 month there are 30 days. So we have to divide by 30. 120 divided by 30 is equals to, we can also write 12 divided by 3. So equals to 4 months. Okay. Second, 365 days divided by 30. When we divide by 30, the remainder will be 5. So, and quotient will be 12. So 12 months and 5 days. Okay. Now you have to do the other remaining parts of B and C. Okay. You have to do all questions of A, B and C. Part D and E you have to do with yourself. In D part, convert into months. We have to convert years into months. Okay. To convert year into months, we have to multiply by 12, because in 1 year is equals to 12 months. So 5 into 12 is equals to 60 months. So first answer will be 60 months. Okay. The process will be same as we have done in the previous questions, but here we have to convert months, years into months. Okay. Convert into years and months. Here we have to convert months into years. So we have to divide by 12. In D we have to multiply by 12. In E we have to divide by 12. Now F, baby Minto is 17 months old. How many years and months old is he? So we have to convert the months into years. So to convert months into year, we have to divide by 12. 17 divided by 12 is equals to, quotient will be 1 and remainder will be 5. So 1 year, 5 months. Okay. B part, the Olympic lasted for 29 days. How many weeks and days is that? We have to convert days into weeks. So to convert into weeks, we have to divide by 7. So 29 divided by 7 is equals to 4 weeks and 1 day. Now try part 3rd and 4th. Okay. Exercise 11.2, add 5 hours 40 minutes and 6 hours 25 minutes. We have to add this time to this time. Okay. Now first we will write separate columns for hours and minutes. This column is for hour and this column is for minute. Okay. Leave a gap of one line here, then write 5 just under the hours and 40 under the minutes in the second column, and 6 in first column and 25 in second column. Now when we add these two minutes, 40 and 25, this will equals to 65 minutes. But we know that in 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So we will convert in 1 hour and 5 minutes. So we will write 5 means minute time in this column of minutes column, and this one will carry in hours column. Okay, ये मिनट तो जो 5 मिनट है वो हम इस कॉलम में लिखेंगे और 1 आवर विल कैरी टू दिस कॉलम. ओके, नाउ 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 6 is equals to 12. So the time is, when we add these two time, is 12 hours 5 minutes. Okay, this is not the normal addition. Here we are adding the times. Okay, so just remember this one. When the minute or second will cross 60, then we will convert into another bigger unit. Fifth part, 2 hours 35 minutes 55 seconds and 32 minutes 26 seconds. This is hour, minute and second. There are 3 columns. In first column, 2 hours 35 minutes and 55 seconds. Second, 32 minutes and 26 seconds. Now add 55 plus 26. Separately we added, then it is equals to 81 minutes. Now when we convert 81 seconds into minutes, it will be 1 minute 21 second, because 160 second is equals to 1 minute. So and remaining 21 second will remain as it is. Okay, so this 21 second we will write in seconds column. ओके, जो सेकंड का कॉलम है उसमें लिखेंगे हम 21 सेकंड एंड दिस वन विल कैरी टू मिनट्स कॉलम. नाउ 35 plus 1 plus 32 is equals to 66 minutes and 66 minutes is equals to 1 hour 6 minutes. जब भी टाइम मिनट और सेकंड 60 और 60 से क्रॉस करेगा तो हम उसे बड़ी यूनिट में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. सो 66 minutes is equals to 1 hour 6 minutes. This 6 minutes will be written in minutes column and this one will carry to hours column. Now 2 plus 3 is equals to 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. So time is 3 hours 6 minutes and 21 seconds. Okay. Subtraction, B part. 3 hours 50 minutes from 5 hours 20 minutes. Now the column hours and this is column of minutes. First we will write 5 hours 20 minutes, then 3 hours 50 minutes. Now we have to convert 20 minus 60. We cannot subtract the bigger number from a smaller, so we have to carry 1 from this. When we carry 1 hour 2 minute, we will carry 1, so it will become 4. and when we carry 1 hour to minute then it will be 60 minute. Okay, जब हम 1 आवर यहाँ से कैरी लेते हैं तो ये 1 आवर मिनट में आकर कितना हो जाएगा 60 मिनट, एंड 60 प्लस 20 ऑलरेडी है तो कितना हो जाएगा 80. सो वी विल राइट हेयर 80. नाउ 80 माइनस 50 इज इक्वल्स टू 30. ओके, नाउ 4 माइनस 3 इज इक्वल्स टू 1. सो आंसर इज 1 hour and 30 minutes. Now second, 10 hours 15 minutes from 11 hours. 11 hours. Now there is no minute, so we will carry, so we can write 0 0 here. We have to carry 1 from the hours column, so it will become 60. Now 60 minus 15, 45, and 10 minus 10 is equals to 0. So answer is 45 minutes. Okay. Fifth part, 5 hours 35 minutes 35 seconds from 10 hours 26 minutes and 30 seconds. Now 30 minus 35. We cannot subtract the greater number from smaller, so we will carry a minute, 1 minute to seconds. When we take a carry 1 minute, it will become 25. Okay, and this 1 minute will goes to seconds column and it will be 60 seconds. Okay, 1 minute कितने की इक्वल होगा 60 seconds, and 60 plus 30 is equals to 90 seconds. Now 90 minus 35 is equals to 55. Now this 25 minus 35, again this is the smaller, so we will take carry from here. It will become 9 and it will become 60 plus 25 is equals to 85. Now 85 minus 35 is equals to 50, and 9 minus 5 is equals to 4. So answer is 4 hour 50 minute and 55 seconds. Okay, you have to do the all parts of A and B and C. Okay, all 6 parts of A, all 6 parts of B, and all 4 parts of C. Now see story sums. Anand took 2 hours 35 minutes 40 seconds and Sudhir took 2 hours 42 minutes and 55 seconds to run a marathon. Who won? What was the time difference? अब आपको बताना है किसने रेस जीती है और कितना डिफरेंस रहा है. ओके, नाउ सी, Anand took 2 hours 35 minutes and Sudhir 2 hours 42 minutes. The lesser time taken by is Anand. So who will be the winner? Anand. Okay, जिसने कम टाइम लिया है वही मैराथन जीतेगा. So Anand is the winner. Now what is the time difference? Anand took less time than Sudhir, so Anand won. Now time difference. Now we have to subtract we have to subtract 2 hour 42 minutes 55 second minus 2 35 minutes and 40 second. Now this number is greater than this, so there is no need to carry from minutes. 55 minus 40 is equals to 15. 42 minus 35 is equals to 7. So answer is 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. 7 minutes and 15 seconds. Second question. Time from Delhi to London. Flight's time from Delhi to London is 7 hours 35 minutes and 30 seconds. And flight's time from London to New York is 8 hours 23 minutes and 40 seconds. Now we have to tell the total time, flying time taken from Delhi to New York. Then so we will add the both times. हमें टोटल टाइम निकालना है तो हम दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे. Now add 30 plus 40 is equals to 70 seconds. Now 70 seconds will be converted to 10 seconds and 1 minute. So we will write 10 in seconds column and 1 will be carry in minutes column. Now 35 plus 1 plus 29 is equals to 23 is equals to 59. and 7 plus 8 is equals to 15. So the time is 15 hours, 59 minutes and 10 seconds. Now try third and fourth part. We will skip exercise 11.3 and 11.4. So in this chapter you have to do only first two exercises. Okay, this chapter is completed. Okay, thank you.